Plus 4 or minus 4, which is greater? I need proper answer. Which is greater? 74 is greater, right? So if you subtract it, you get 4. 74 is greater, put that side minus 4. Clear? Now, again, what is common to them? What is common? What is common? What are you talking? 2 is common. Take 2 outside. In bracket, you will, what is left? Yes. Divide this 2. X, what is x minus y now? X minus y is equal to 2 or minus 2? Minus 2. So now it is easy to solve. Go back to the usual topic. How do we use to solve? X plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to minus 2. Which one shall we reduce? Which coefficient is same? Minus y. X plus x is 2x. 6 minus 2 is 4. X is equal to 4 divided by 2. What is x value? X is equal to 2. So what's the first step we did, students? First thing you have to add both, and the second step you have to subtract. Then take both the equation, solve x. Now substitute. See, you can substitute either here or here to find y. You can substitute here or here, anywhere. So Pradesh, first add both the equation, you'll get an equation, then subtract it. Okay, find the value of y, students. So take any one equation, x. I'll take the first one. How come 3? How is it 3? Are you dividing it? See, all the silly mistakes is where you lose marks, Joven. You add or subtract. Y is equal to 4. So this is the meaning of swapping. If the values are swapped, first what do you do? First you have to add, then later you have to subtract. completed? All three of you have done? Okay. The same one. Can you see the 15th one? All of you? Which method do we use here? Same the swapping thing? Okay. Observe the value string. First, what did I tell? We have to add or subtract. Yes. First add them. Then subtract them. Find the answer, students. I'll give you all 2 minutes. Try to solve this. Okay, when you'll add, what did you get here for this? 94x plus what is common to them? If you take 94, what is left? X plus y is equals to 282 divided by multiply 2 times, 3 times. No, how come 94? Correct, 94 it goes 3 times, right? So what is x plus y? Now subtract it. And Pradesh, how do you solve this? Do you know plus into minus rule? Pradesh, plus into minus. How do you solve this? Can you tell me how do you solve? How do you solve this? Plus 5 and minus 10. No, no. How do you solve plus 5 and minus 10? You know what is plus into minus? No, no. You don't know this concept. Plus into minus, minus into minus, minus into plus. See, first thing, your voice is not audible. So you know this or you don't know? Plus into minus. First, make sure you have a proper network. Check your net connection, Pradesh. Attend through mobile net. Okay, rejoin. Yeah. Joven, tell me the value, Joven. Joven Vishrut. And your Vishrut, if you're still silent, I'll stop teaching then. I've already told you. How much are you getting? Tell me this. What is 53 minus 41? You just sit, copy and you're leaving the class. Tell me this, Vishnu. How come 12? How come 12? Why minus 12? Why? You're not concentrating. You're silent. You're just sitting and copying and you're leaving. How will you learn that? What is 53 minus 41? Plus 12y, right? But then after this, what do you get here? No, no, let Vishwat answer, John. What do you get there, Vishwat? Minus 12. Okay, now what is common to them? What is common? If I take 12, what's the remainder? What about this minus? There is already minus, right? Minus x is equal to that. Keep minus x plus y as it is. What happens to 12 if it goes to the other side? What is minus x plus y value? What is minus x plus y value? Hmm, Minus 1, right? Now arrange these two. Both of you arrange these two and solve. Yes, Pradesh, you know the rules. What is plus into minus? Minus into plus. What is the rules? Tell me, Pradesh. What is plus in? Hmm, Okay. In the same way, if I write minus 5 plus 10, what's the answer? How do you solve this? No, not minus 5. Minus into plus is how much? What is minus into plus? Minus. Minus meaning is what? Addition or subtraction? Subtraction. So you have to subtract 10 minus 5. You get 5. Which is greater? 5 or 10? Okay, I think, see, all this basic, if you are weak in this basic, you won't be able to solve this, Pradesh. Okay, this chapter will be tough then, because basic, it's if you didn't learn all those basics, plus into minus, minus into plus, but you are not able to answer. Only if you know that. Now, if I keep teaching you, for others it will get late. Okay, you do one thing. After this exercise, anyway, if I start next chapter, will you join from next chapter, or you just want to continue? Is it fine? You have to tell me. Yeah, another 2 days I'll complete this. If you join from next chapter, you'll understand. Now in between, you won't understand this breath. Okay? Yeah, so don't worry, you join next chapter, I'll teach you everything. Now hardly another 2 days. In 2 days I'll complete. You just send me a message after 2 days. Okay? Yeah, you can leave. Fine. You all tell me both of you. Oh, yes, bye Pradesh, you can leave. No, no, first tell me this. Both of you did you understand? After addition, subtraction, how we get this? There's no doubt, right, Vishruth, or you want me to explain again? Bring this minus x plus y. Which one shall we reduce? because x, right, opposite sign. What is y plus y? 3 minus 1 is substitute, take either this or this, take any one. The same thing your ma'am has taught Vishruth. Why you don't concentrate? What do you do in school? Just playing with your friends when ma'am is teaching? Then why you didn't understand in class? Are they teaching complicated? Why is this complicated? It was easy. Okay, complete. Fine. Why? And which method is this? We call this as, yes. I mean, not swapping method. Whenever the values are swapped, we do this addition and subtraction. See, this is what happens. Now, what's his name who joined? Pradesh. You know Pradesh? Pradesh. Okay, see, he missed almost 1 month, he didn't attend. Basics also, it is tough. It is tough to solve all this, right? So this is what happens, students. If you are feeling weak, you should tell your parents. You should join some tuition. Now it is very tough to solve other chapters again from the beginning. You have to start plus into minus. It took, I think, almost 1 or 2 weeks. I taught you basics, right? Even when Vishnu joined, I remember plus into minus, division, LCM. So it will take some time. Okay, complete this. What is y value? X plus y is 3. X plus 1 is equal to 3. X is equal to 2. Oh, is it Brendan? At least through mobile you should have sent a message, right? No, just now I got it. Fine. Anyhow, this method is almost done. Okay, this method is done. What about other method? Other sums, Jovin. How did ma'am do other sums? Yes, respond. What about all this? Normal LC method? Okay, fine. Look, yes, to concentrate. 18th one, anyhow I did. We'll do 18th means second one. I want all three of you to respond. 4x is equals to 17 minus x minus y is equal to 8. Which one has denominator? Left hand side part or right hand side part? Which one has? Okay, keep as it is, take LCM. Keep 4x as it is. What's the LCM for 8 and 1? Just multiply. 8 ones are 8. After that, what you have to do? Yes, cross multiply 8 into 17 minus 1 into P. Don't write. When I'm teaching, nobody should write. What happens to 8 if it goes to this side? 8 goes a 32. 17 into 8, you'll multiply. Now look here. Open the bracket. What is minus 1 into x? Minus into minus is complete it. Arrange after this. Tell me what you get after arranging. 136. See, if I'll just tell one step, what about the next one, students? Minus x goes to this side. 32 minus 1, then it become 33. 31x, right? Hmm? Oh, sorry, it's changes. Minus becomes, sorry, 33x plus y becomes is equal to 136. Is this clear? You all try the next one. Which one has denominator in the second part? Which one has denominator? Take LCM. Try this. You see, one thing, students, we have done so many questions. You all have to figure it out. You should tell me the final answer. 2y as it is. What's the LCM? 3. If you cross multiply, 3 twos are. What happens to 2, 3? With the entire thing. 6y plus 3x. This x, right? Okay. 6y plus. What is 6 plus 2? You should keep solving. As we move to the next step, you have to solve. What is 6y? 1 minute. This 5 goes to the other side, becomes minus. 6 minus 5 is how much? So 3x remains as it is, plus 1y is equal to a. That's solve these two. Use normal. Which one shall we eliminate? Both are 1. 36x is equals to, add this, find x and y. X value, I need final x value. X is equals to, find y. Okay, there are two equations. Let me take this. 3 into 4 plus y is equals to 8. 3 fours are 12. 8 minus 12. Y is equals to minus 4. Right? Okay, try the first question now. See, I've already done. Don't check your notes, students, if you're copying. So it is left up to you. Try the first one now. No, if not, do one thing. Just practice that first one, and they didn't start the second exercise, right? Yes, tell me. Which one? First one? Okay, try this, students. 4x is given, and here you have 3x minus 4y. Now, 6 is on the left hand side. If you shift it to the other side, it becomes minus 6. Same thing, like previously what I told. Can you see, is it swapping? Can we use swapping? No, for an x, right? Instead of swapping, remember, instead of swapping, is the number small or big? Small. Swapping is not required here. You can directly multiply coefficient into 3 and here into 4. So 12x plus 9y is equals to 51. And here you get 12x minus 12y is equals to minus 24. Change the sign. Look at the screen, all of you. Minus, this becomes plus. 9 plus 12 is 21 1. And here 70. Use 3 times table. Will you try this for homework? Complete this. Complete this and attend tomorrow, students. And Brendan, I'll upload the recording. First 15 minutes, go through that. Okay, it's a easy concept. Try to understand that and solve it. Okay, y'all can leave, students. Attend tomorrow, y'all can leave. And one more thing, if your teacher does in a different method, let me know the same day. Okay, so that I can teach using the same method. Fine, y'all can.